talked about a lot of great Microsoft product today and everything great we do at Microsoft. And all that is really combined to be brought in what we call industry solutions. And industry solutions, how do I summarize this? Is where we actually bring the best of Microsoft together and our partners to deliver industry-specific solutions. We have a lot of great product at Microsoft, but do all our customers use our product the same way? The way we build our product or the way we deliver them or the functionality of our product, does it apply the same to all our customers? We have customers in healthcare, we have customers in agriculture, we have customers in manufacturing, but they all have different use cases for the same product. And we now make it come true for all our customers in different industry in what we call Microsoft Industry Cloud. So far, as you can see on this slide, we have launched 4 industry cloud. The Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare, Microsoft Cloud for Financial Services, Microsoft Cloud for Non-Profit, for Retail, and we have announced Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing. We have, across Microsoft, a lot of different things we talked about today. We talked about mixed reality. We talked about our modern workplace. We talked about GitHub. We talked about Dynamic. We talked about all those great first-party products that we already have today. That's actually the foundation of our clouds. They apply differently from industry to industry. And when we build on top of that, that's how we're successful with our industry clouds. And as you see, in Africa, for example, as we're talking about industry and why this subject, in my opinion, is really relevant, we talked about innovation today. We talked about the need for digital transformation that's going to go through Africa. And we talk about sustainability, protecting our beautiful continent. You see, sustainability is across every industry. So that's how we perceive it. We're building on top of our first-party product, bringing the best of Microsoft, bring the best of our partners, connecting all those IP together to deliver industry-specific solutions. Are we talking about the Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing, which is the one I manage for our industry solution team, which is the one really close to my heart, which is the one I think manufacturing, in my opinion, is the bedrock of every economy. Doesn't matter how you look at it. Everything pretty much goes through manufacturing. Whether we're talking about healthcare, manufacturing our medication, we're talking about retail, manufacturing our package, our consumer packaged goods. We're talking about retail, agriculture. Everything goes through manufacturing. Without manufacturing, there is no economy. And I believe that in this space, we have huge opportunity on the continent of Africa to take leap and bound again and develop things that actually work for this continent, as Fatima said. So, and we have at Microsoft the opportunity and the capability to support that through our Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing. Financial services, I love the example that Fatima gave on the fintech environment. The mobile money, for example. There's no real mobile money in the US, for example. But when you go to South America, when you come to Africa, this is where it's happened. Because different challenges, different environment, and we solve it with actual skills and understanding of the local market. And talking about understanding of the local market, that's what our industry cloud do, which is listening to customers, understanding the challenges, and connecting them in their unique environment. That is what our industry cloud are. And when we talk about financial services, these are very unique opportunities that we have, that we can help, that Microsoft can support. So with that, I'm going to close by saying digital technology, as just repeating the word of Satya, is a powerful deflationary force in an inflationary economy. Why is it important? Because through our industry cloud, we have proven that we can achieve great efficiency across the board.